Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 18th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Wow, we had a day today. We came in today with pretty good positions. Everything looked pretty solid. But then things kind of started to drift, and I was getting a little bored with it. And I took off for a while and came back just in time, thank God, because this market exploded. The Federal Reserve basically announced they were going to continue the bond buying program, apparently indefinitely, good for the economy and everything else, and the market just exploded on that news, and we just got buys all over the place, and we are carrying over $22,000 in open trade equity from that move alone. I mean, it was just spectacular. We got out of our trades with $8,631. I mean, that's pretty good. That's about what we had yesterday, I think. So we got out of everything. We could have done a little bit better if we'd just known what was going to happen and waited maybe 30 minutes more, because we ended up getting out of yesterday's positions before that big announcement. So even though $8,600 is nothing to sneeze about, we probably would have made something more like $13,000 if we had waited, but we didn't know that. Nobody knew that. So anyway, it was a great day. Let me show you some great charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Incidentally, all the stock indexes, I believe, closed on all-time record highs today. So everything was up. See something here you rarely see? That's a gap in the 15-minute bar. I can't on the Dow. I haven't seen anything like that before, but in a long time anyway. But that announcement came out, and bingo, we had a big gap as buyers jumped in and just drove this market all the way up, and the Dow closed up 147 points. Everything was up today. Just a spectacular day. Anyway, I'll show you two spectacular trades. And by the way, these are both in silver, which I'm not, well, I don't want to display my ignorance. I'm not too sure just why silver should react so positively to this, but it did. This first one is Majestic Silver AG, and you can see what happened here. Just absolutely went through the roof after that announcement, and we are holding over $5,000 in open trade equity in Majestic Silver. And the other silver trade we got was Endeavor Silver, and this looks almost the same. You can see what happened here. We had to hustle a little to get into this. There was Majestic Silver. We got in right at the very beginning. But anyway, Endeavor Silver is also up nearly $5,000. So between the two silver trades, that was $10,000 alone, and then everything else, it added up to over $22,000 in open trade equity. So, great day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow for sure on Thursday.